this tutorial, we'll turn parts of your subject into glowing crystal structures. Start by making selections around the areas you want to crystallize, such as arms, cheeks, or objects they're holding. Duplicate those segments and apply a facet or crystallize filter for shape. Add inner glow and outer glow effects using cool tones like icy blues or amethyst purples. Now overlay real crystal or gemstone textures set to screen or lighten blending mode. Add light streaks and reflective highlights around edges to emphasize shine. Darken the background slightly so the crystal areas stand out dramatically. With a few final color adjustments, you'll get a magical, fantasy-infused image.
Let's make your subject shine like enchanted crystal.